day 2 of walking every day as my postpartum recovery. I just learned I can walk up this hill during the entire track of Sexy Back. That's how long it took to walk up this hill. Whew, I'm already out of breath. Whew, I think I'm 7 minutes into my walk, but that hill damn near took me out. Also, I just realized that in my almost 6 years of living in this neighborhood, this is my very first time taking a walk by myself. I have either taken a walk with one of my children, with the dog, or with my family as a whole. It was my very first time walking alone. And I noticed it because I was like, wow, I feel like I've never swung my arms before while I was walking. And it's because I've never been alone. I've always been holding something, either holding a stroller or holding a dog leash. Yes, day 2.